D, nigga. Bring that bit back, nigga. Let's go. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Not sure who did that.
I can't believe I pursued envy. Fucked up school, dropped out when I'm barely 16. Pie as propellers due to that OG. Yeah, I'm that homie. AROD. Is the key for niggas who don't even know me. Famous for the trees that give me dollars that ain't folding. Final hour on the tip tower still growing. I'm so stressed out right now, I'm considering now past smoking. I'm on cloud nine, I feel just fine. I feel adrenaline rush faster than the faster time. Now look up, I see action figure swag so legit. Look at these ugly niggas. Fat, I spit fire. I couldn't be no kinder. Maybe if it used manners, the kill bill would be brighter. Yeah, dude, taking over dynasty. Currency pack nigga, ain't nobody harder than me. So I just sit back and stay rolling swishes. Every time I'm at the club, I'm hearing secret whispers. Look at that bitch, so golden has me trophy. I don't need no practice. Beware of my life, it's a 3D movie. Just sit and stay still. Thunder strike is risk taking, so it is a thrill. AROD, get it through your membrane. I'll crack your cranium. I'll call it hurricane. What the fuck, nigga? Yeah, let that beat go. Turn that shit up.